Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox for March. Invent the reality you want to live. All the products are on the back with their full size retail values and extra information. So let's take a look at what I got. I did get to pick an item this month and I feel like it was this. This is from Amika and this is Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. So I've tried something that was like a salt scrub before and that was really awesome. So I'm hoping that that's pretty cool. I do like Amika. They have some good products. This I have had several times before and I love it. This is by Pureness and this is Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, it says. Smells so much like watermelon. It smells amazing. Goes great on my skin. I have very sensitive skin and a lot of times moisturizers and things break out my face, but this one doesn't. It's really light. I love everything about it. The way it feels, the smell, everything. Smells so good. So very happy with that. Also have Marula Light Hair Treatment and Styling Oil. Definitely love my hair products. My hair is super long, so I like to put oils and things in it to keep it a little bit moisturized so it doesn't get dry. So that's a cool little sample. Definitely use that. Next up we have Manicadar Idyllic Gel Eyeliner. And I'm sure that's in black. Yep, black. Very nice. And the last item, Active Pureness Fluid. Mattifying Hydrating Fluid. So I guess that's just to go under your foundation. Let's see what it says here. This lightweight moisturizer hydrates your skin while mattifying powders. Cool. So that's what I got this month. This is a really good box. I will use all these items. If you guys are interested in Birchbox, I have a link below to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.